Want to send a Google Drive file on WhatsApp without downloading it? In this video, I'll show you how to quickly share a Google Drive link on WhatsApp using your phone. Let's get started. First, open the Google Drive app on your phone. Now find the file or folder you want to share. Tap on the three dots next to the file. From the menu, tap on Manage Access. If the file is set to restricted, tap on it. Then tap on Restricted again to change the access settings. Now select anyone with the link. This will allow anyone with the link to open the file. Next, tap on the Permission option. Here you can choose what others can do with the file. Viewer means they can only view the file. Commenter means they can view and leave comments. Editor means they can edit the file as well. Choose the permission you want. After that, tap on Copy Link. Now the Google Drive link is copied to your phone. Open WhatsApp and go to the chat where you want to send the link. Paste the copied link and tap on Send. And that's it. That's how you can share a Google Drive link in WhatsApp easily. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.